This tutorial will go over how to change gradebook settings in D2L Brightspace. Alright, so first we are going to go ahead and click on Grades on the nav bar. And then we are going to go over here and click on Settings. And then we'll make sure that Personal Display Options is opened up. And then we are going to go down under Grade Details right here and make sure that all three of these are check marked. And then after that, we are going to go down to Repeat Final Grades and make sure that both of those options are selected. And then we are going to go down to Start Page and make sure that the default grade areas that is opened up is Manage Grades. And then we will click Save. And then we will go over to Calculation Options. And once that pulls up, we will go under Grading System, and we're going to make sure that Points is selected. And then under Final Grade Released, we want the calculated final grade to be selected. And then down here under Grade Calculations, we want the Drop Ungraded Items to be selected. And then under Auto Update, we want the Automatically Keep Final Grades Updated to be selected as well. And then we will once again be hitting Save. Yes. And grades on the nav bar. And then we will make sure Manage Grades is selected. And then we will go over here to New and click Item. And then we're going to click on this blue hyperlink for numeric. And then we're going to go ahead and give this new grade item a name. So for this one, I'm just going to do Week 1 Dropbox. And then let's go ahead and change these points to 20. And then we are going to save. Or first we need to do the category. So since I'm doing Week 1 Dropbox, we're going to just go ahead and click Week 1, and then we'll click Save. And we'll actually click Save and New because I'm going to need to do one for each of my 5 weeks. So I will go ahead and hit Save and New, and then I will come back to the recording once I have all 5 weeks finished. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and click on Assessment, and we will go ahead and scroll down to Dropbox. And then we are going to click on New Folder. Oops. And for this one, I'm going to go ahead and make it Week 1 Dropbox. And then in here, we made it out of 20 points. And then due date, we'll just make for a week from today. And then we're going to go ahead and click this in Gradebook, and we're going to hit Edit or Link to Existing. And we're going to go to Link to an Existing Grade Item. And since this is Week 1 Dropbox, we'll just find that, which is right here. And then we'll hit OK. and then we will save and close. So now we're going to go ahead and go back up to assessments, and we are going to now click on quizzes and exams. And then we'll click on new quiz. And then we're going to go ahead and give it a name. So I am just going to name it Week 1 Quiz. And then we're going to go over here to evaluation and feedback. And we're going to make sure that this first one is selected. So the auto-publish attempt results immediately upon completion. And then we're going to go back up here to where it says not in Gradebook, and we're going to click edit or link to existing. And then you're going to hit link to an existing grade item and then find the correct one. So we need Week 1 quiz. So we will select that. We'll hit OK. And then we will go down here and hit save and close.